the narrative for a while has been like, you got to get on TikTok, highest reach. If someone is like, I don't like being on camera, I don't speak quickly, nor am I trying to learn how to do that or just film it over and over. I just don't really like the vibe of it. Are you still like, you still have to do these kind of TikToks though? Like, you don't have to be on camera, just do these, or you're like, just stay off, just do the other ones.
No, that's a really great question. And I still think that there is something on TikTok for everyone. So like I said before, you're going to have different audiences that respond differently to different types of content. So if you're someone who doesn't want to show up on camera, you might be able to put a bunch of clips together and do a voiceover. Even if you're not sitting there talking to the camera, what I recommend to a lot of people is if you're doing if you're showing demonstrations, tutorials, DIYs, whatever it is, even if you just show your face for the first 3 seconds, right? And different for people who don't want to show their face at all, it's a different story. But if it's just a matter of, okay, what's the fear behind showing up on camera? Is it talking to the camera? Okay, cool, eliminate that. Show up for the first 3 seconds, hold whatever it is in your hand, whatever you're doing. And then the rest of it can be a voiceover. But the reason why I recommend at least showing your face for the first 3 seconds is because it grabs people's attention on the For You feed, especially, and this is something I'll probably come back to later in another topic, is, when people are sitting there and they're scrolling through hundreds of videos before they might land on yours. It might be a cat climbing a tree. It might be someone crying over something. There's so many emotions that can be sparked within 5 different scrolls, right? You have to grab people's attention in some way or another. And if it's just you doing something boring, where it's just kind of showing something where you're kind of like, okay, where are they going with this? I'm not really sure. Showing your face for the first 3 seconds can be a great way to just grab people's attention with text on the screen, which is, yeah. But I do think that TikTok, there is something for everyone. And I would recommend everyone to get on it, just because the incredible opportunity in terms of reach that it provides at the moment. Don't get me wrong, there are certain formats and styles and tones that are being picked up and prioritized at the moment. But it doesn't mean you still can't make something out of the other ones that maybe aren't pushed as frequently. You can still grow doing things, it just has to be done a certain way.